The right way for map updates. Every year, the road network changes by about 15%. Make sure to update your map data regularly to get the best route guidance and traffic information at all times. To this end, BMW publishes map updates multiple times per year. Get it at your BMW dealership on a ready-made medium, or simply online as a 1 or 2 year subscription in the BMW Connected Drive store. Download the BMW USB Map Update yourself to a 64GB USB stick by using the BMW Download Manager. Here's how. Log into the BMW website with your BMW ID. In your profile, go to My Vehicles, Vehicle Details, and Map Update. For some regions, you will receive automatic map updates. Just choose your region, or download the full map update. Let's move on. Scroll down and choose to Manual Map Update. Select your computer operating system to download the BMW Download Manager. Log in again with your BMW ID and select the vehicle that you would like to update the map for and start the download. After that, the map update needs to be compiled to your USB stick by the BMW Download Manager. Please make sure the USB stick is correctly formatted beforehand. We recommend using FAT for Mac OS and exFAT for Windows. After transferring the map data to your USB drive, you can go on to upload it onto your vehicle. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.